Welcome back. This is Shirley Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto from time to time. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, it's been a dismal the last couple of weeks in the stock market. The momentum plays such as Tesla, Nvidia have all been down. Palantir Technologies, even on today, we've had several stocks uh, fade. Tesla today down over $2,000 in my portfolio, down 17%. During regular hours, they were down 15%, and then they went down another 2% after hours. Also, SoFi Technologies down as much as 14%, and Palantir Technologies down 15%. So a lot of the momentum plays that were going great under a stable, um, economy were okay. But now that we have the tariff wars with China, Mexico, Canada, the stock market has been very volatile. Okay, there was several news outlets today talking about the turmoil. Where's the bottom? Markets are still fishing for the bottom. It's earlier in the day, and it didn't get that good at all. It seemed like all major indexes were down. So as I mentioned, Tesla share down over 40% in February going into March. We're in the second week of February. So earlier today, Tesla was down 1,700, and now they're down over another 3%. This is early morning trading there. Um, Now, as far as today, the good stocks, it was very far and few between. There was stocks like ConocoPhillips, um, you know, stocks that pretty much don't get much attention. ConocoPhillips today was up 3.24%, and America Towers up 1.75. BJ Wholesale, that's a big box retailer, they were up as much as 1%, and the Revolve Group was up 2.74%. Okay, so let's go to the news where we can see all the details of Trump tariffs. And in fact, Trump spoke today and he did not back down from his tariffs. They had a big tech meeting at the White House today, and Trump did not back down. He gave no indication that he would change some of his positions. And so yesterday, Sunday evening, when he had a major interview, that's when the market got spooked. Okay, so futures was down, and then of course Monday, the futures of the actual stock market crashed again today. All right, so let's go over to the news. Okay, breaking news: Japan revises four-quarter GDP lower, complicating Bank of Japan's interest rate outlook. Futures is still down. S&P futures is down. Um, all the major indexes had a sell-off today. Uh, but one of the key players in some of this market negativity is Elon Musk, uh, DOGE chief Musk says he's running his business with great difficulty as Tesla shares tanked today. As I showed you earlier, they've tanked over 15%, 17% after hours. And also, people are actually destroying Teslas right now. Okay, so across the United States, Tesla is selling less cars. Europe is selling less cars. Uh, China is selling less cars as other EV makers come online. So the outlook for Tesla as a automaker is looking quite dismal. Okay. We did have earnings call today with Delta. Delta lines earnings outlook weaker on U.S. demand, sending shares lower. So Delta Airlines stock sank after earnings call. Also, Nvidia shares tanked too today, over 6%. This is Jason Wong, the CEO. Tech mega caps lose over 750 billion. Uh, Worst day since 2022. So that's including Apple and several others, but Nvidia down quite a bit. Okay. Trump's finds unexpected ally in auto union leader over tariffs. Okay. Sounds like he's making positive relationship with some of the union leaders in the auto. But it says U.S. could reach a deal with Canada that avoids oil, gas, and energy tariffs. Secretary says. Um, BlackRock's Fink says Trump's deportation have severe impact on agriculture and construction industry. As you know, we've had mass deportation for the last 2 months since Trump has gotten elected. So that's this is the people that pick the strawberries, that pick a lot of the uh, fruits and vegetables out west and in Texas actually are immigrants, Mexican and South American immigrants. Okay, so that's where we see the impact on agriculture and construction. All right, but the big news is Elon Musk uh losing sales with Tesla as the CEO. Also, the outlook is not good. It's not selling cars that much. And again, Tesla shares trading at $222 per share. This is a company that was trading late December at $400 per share. Okay. So again, stocks tank. Elon Musk, I'm not sure is he at the helm or not of Tesla, but he is working on the Department of Government Efficiency. So let's go look at the portfolio. Okay, some of the top stocks in the portfolio was American Tower shares up 2.31%. Again, this is a real estate trust. ConocoPhillips closed the day up 2%. Again, ConocoPhillips is an energy oil company place you can pump gas or you bring in gas. ConocoPhillips, they were up 2% today. Also, Ford Motor Company was up 0.5%. And Crown Castle, another REIT, was up 1.61%. And Verizon Communications was up 1.63. Revolve Group was up 6%. Okay, so these were some of the hot stocks. American Tower, ConocoPhillips, Crown Castle, and the Revolve Group. Okay, so those were the hot stocks. In fact, General Motors was up 1%. If we saw in the article, Trump is making some um, ways with union leaders in the auto part. So that's about it though. And the rest of this portfolio, let's take a look at the losers. Again, Tesla being the biggest loser today. Shares down over 18%, down over $2,200 in the portfolio. And as I mentioned, um, the Tesla shares are down quite a bit due to auto sales across the globe, whether it's China, Europe, or U.S. market is down. Okay. And the sentiment is not good. Elon Musk running a shadow government in DC, working with the DOGE project. Okay. So not sure if that's going to work for him, if they'll get someone else at new leadership. But shares of Tesla, the CEO, Elon Musk, down 18%. Okay. And second place, SoFi. SoFi share down 14%. And Palantir Technologies, another momentum play that a lot of people really like. Palantir Technologies, data analytics, but it's more a momentum play, definitely played by retailers, down over 15%. And lastly, Nvidia, as I mentioned earlier, losing quite a bit, shares down. Nvidia down 7%. Again, seems like anything AI related is down, and so not much positive to talk about. Nothing AI or technology related. But again, Elon Musk, not manning too much with Tesla lately. Shares down over 40% over the last month. And let's take a quick look at my Robinhood portfolio just to see how the decline has gone there as well. Okay, as I mentioned, the portfolio is down significantly. Tesla shares by themselves are down over 18%, 15% um, during the day, and then another 3% after hours. If we look at the month, I want to say Tesla's down over 40%. Okay, so we're looking at shares being at a price about $320 per share before Doge and a lot of the other projects he's been working on. With Doge, shares were trading about $300. And then after Doge and Doge activities, the stock has crumpled. Okay. Okay, so as I mentioned, Tesla shares down, which is a big part of my portfolio. Again, portfolio down today, 7.78%, over $281. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.